were you worried about any disadvantages? And if you were, what were the disadvantages? Put them in the comments and I will have a look and then I can respond to them. These self-seal bags, I bought them on Temu. I'll put the link in the description below. They all come in various sizes. I actually bought this size by mistake, but it's actually a great size for a single cookie or even 2 cookies. So it's a good size, but if you want more, then you can look for bigger packaging. The dimensions are there on the website, and so you choose the one that you think will work out best for you. Even the stickers, I'll also put a link for the stickers if you want them. These cookies are so easy to make, and even kids can make these. It can be one of those things that you do as home educating parents with your kids, or if they're old enough, you can let them do it. Which one do you think is better, 1 or 2 in the packaging? I think 1 for this particular one. Yeah, thanks for watching and see you again soon.